Launching an asphalt seal coating business? Here's the step-by-step process that you'll need to follow in order to build a thriving asphalt seal coating business. Hey, my name is Judd Burton, president of Asphalt Kingdom. I've been in the industry 25 plus years. I've helped thousands of people, just like Dom Manzo, local seal coating out of Long Island, New York, start their very own asphalt seal coating business. And my mission is to help you achieve the dreams that you desire by building your own business, being your own boss, and working on your own schedule so that you can ultimately have something that you'd be proud of and that perhaps you can leave legacy behind. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step pillars that you're going to need to focus on in order to achieve success. And at the end, I'm going to share something with you that is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, 25 years of experience. I've put something together for you and it's really, really special. So let's dive in. First and foremost, you want to make sure when you're building any business that you focus in on understanding what your dreams are. I call it the 18 months ahead. Focus on developing a book for yourself, which is like a diary, writing 18 months into the future so that you really know what you want to unfold over the next 18 months of your life. That's step one. Step two, core values. It's so important that the foundation of your business is built on core values. It's the foundation so that the structure and framework can thrive. So core values. The next thing that core values does is it instigates culture. It's so important that any business has culture in it. Why? Because it's the energy, it's the magnetic attraction for any business, for your customers to be attracted to your business, for your staff to be attracted, and even new hires for your business. Next that we focus on is the marketing, the face of your business, making sure that your business looks on every single social media channel. We call it omni-channel marketing. On every channel that you're being seen at, and you're looking like a professional company. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Business Profile, your website. You need to be everywhere and it needs to look awesome. 4, we need to focus on sales. We really need to understand the common objections that are in our industry. We need to understand the closer framework, how to actually role play through a scenario where we can actually deliver value and solve people's problems. The closer framework goes along the lines of clarifying why somebody is there, labeling them with a problem, overviewing their past pain, selling them a vacation, explaining away their concerns, and reinforcing their decision. Sales is such an important piece, and without sales, you have no money. Next is you want to make sure that you know who to target. It is so important to know who you're targeting. As an example, to build $1 million business around doing residential driveways at $500 a driveway would take 2,000 driveways that you would need to do. That's a lot of driveways, and the chances of you unfolding that is very slim. Whereas if you were doing $5,000 jobs, well, we're talking about a completely different beast of a couple hundred jobs a year, which means that we could get to the $1 million. The bottom line is we need to know who to target so that we can ultimately unfold the future that we desire. And the last thing that we want to focus on is making sure we understand our numbers, making sure that the numbers are all understood, making sure you have a good bookkeeper in place so that you can have a tight grasp on your numbers and understanding the profitability of your business. At the end of the day, you don't want to do $1 million in revenue and find out that you've ultimately only made 50 grand at the end of the year. So understanding your numbers is really, really important. And here's the kicker. I want to give you what's called keys to the AK vault. It's taken over 25 years for me to put this content together. It's all in one place. Templates, tools, phone scripts, checklists for your marketing presence so that you can unfold it properly, sales objections, role playing. You've got everything that you can imagine inside this vault to allow you to ultimately use it to scale a business from scratch. We so look forward to sharing it with you. And the way that you're going to get access to that is comment down below with hashtag keys to the vault, and we'll go ahead and share a special link with you where you're going to be able to go right on the inside of that program. It's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we ultimately want to give it to you so that you can be more successful with your business. If you're interested in seeing more content that we have, please subscribe to our channel. Also click that notification bell so you're notified every time we push out content. Welcome to your Asphalt Kingdom. If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video. Or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.